Good timing, lad. I sent 2 of my best knights into parley with the Orc leader. They should be returning shortly. Damn. These Orcs will never surrender.
Then let's get in there and destroy the beasts.
Remember, Arthas, we are paladins. Vengeance cannot be a part of what we must do. If we allow our passions to turn to bloodlust, we will become as vile as the Orcs.
Yes, Uther.
Now, if you're feeling up to it, I want you to lead the attack.
Me? Well, of course.
I'll remain here and ensure that none of the loathsome beasts threaten the camp.
I won't fail you.
I know you won't, lad.
The light is my strength. I'm here to help. A sound plan.
Ready to work. More work. Yes, my lord.
Justice shall be done. Of course. A sound plan. Certainly. Is there danger? For honor. Sir,
Ready to work. Job's done.
of course.
What? Off I go then. More work. Righto.
The light is my strength. Certainly.
Well met, good human. Have you come to join in our hunt?
What are you dwarves hunting in this region?
We're hunting black drakes. It's said that drake's blood can bestow fiery enchantments upon weapons.
The fiery enchantments you seek could prove useful.
The name of the beast we're hunting is Cyranox. With your aid, the monster won't stand a chance. What is it? Off I go then. Job's done.
Is there danger?
You are past redemption. Betrayer of the light. All gold required.
The light is my strength.
Ready for action.
What? All right. More work. Off I go then. Yes, my lord.
Orders.
Research complete.
Ready for action. What do you need?
Of course. Build more farms. What is it?
Job's done. What? Off I go then. Justice shall be done. For honor.
Ready for action. Yes, my liege. Aye, my lord.
What is it? All right. Righto.
Ready for action. Say the word.
Our town is under siege.
Ready for action.
I stand for the light. What? Yes, my lord.
Orders.
Your work? What? Off I go then.
What do you need? Say the word.
Justice shall be done. Of course. Your work? Yes, my lord. The light is my strength. What? What is it? Job's done. What? All right.
Ready for action. On my way.
Justice shall be done.
You have a target? Okay.
Is there danger?
Paladin fool! The warlocks of the Black Rock clan have spoken. Soon, demons will rain from the sky, and this wretched world will burn.
Yes, I've heard this rhetoric before. You orcs will never burn. It was only a mirror image. Damn it, what are these curs up to?
The hour of doom approaches. Let this paltry sacrifice appease our demon masters.
You sick bastards. You'll never get away with it.
Slay the orcs. Slay them all!
Ready for action.
Justice shall be done. Job's done. Yes, me lord. Off I go then. Is there danger? A sound plan. I'm here to help. Of course. For honor. Certainly. For honor. Job's done. Of course. For honor. What is it? The light is my strength. Of course. Certainly. For honor. A sound plan.
Research complete.
Certainly.
Our town is under
What?
siege.
All right. Off I go then. Yes, me lord.
Ready for action. Right.
Forward. Job's done. I can't build that. Righto.
Ready for
Yes,
action.
me lord.
Yes, my liege.
Forward. Yes, me lord. Yes, me lord. Off I go then.
Orders? What do you need?
Job's done.
Is there danger? Of course. Certainly. For honor.
You dare challenge me? You mortals become more reckless with every generation.
I'm here to help. A sound plan. Is there danger? Of course. Certainly. A sound plan. Of course.
Upgrade
A
complete.
sound plan.
Upgrade complete. Upgrade complete.
What is it?
Say the word.
What? What is it? Right.
Forces are under attack.
All right.
What do you need? Orders? What do you need? Let me say the word.
The light is my strength. Of course. For honor. Justice shall be done. Feel my wrath. Certainly.
Upgrade complete.
Job's done. What?
Upgrade complete.
Off I go then.
What do you need? On my way.
I'm here to help.
Ready to work.
You are past redemption.
What do you
Forces
need?
are under
Job's
attack.
done.
I've got the beast in my sights.
I stand for the light.
Ready to work.
The light is my strength. Of course.
What is it? Yes, me lord. What? Ready to work.
Research complete.
I'm here to help. A sound plan. Of course. For honor. Certainly.
Murlocs? Here? They must have an encampment nearby.
A sound plan. Foul knave.
Our town is under siege.
right. Is there danger?
Ready for
I
action.
stand for the light. Certainly.
Say the word.
Is there danger? For honor.
Ready for
course.
action.
A sound plan. Certainly.
Yes, my liege. Of course.
Job's done.
The light is my strength. Is there danger?
Justice has come. What? Righto.
What do you need?
What is it?
Locked and loaded.
All right.
I'm here to help.
Orders. Right. Of course. Right. Of course.
I stand for the light.
I'm your shooter.
Job's done.
Upgrade complete.
Justice shall be done.
Feel my wrath. Say the word. Aye, my lord.
The light is my strength. A sound plan. Justice shall be done.
Our forces are under attack.
Certainly.
Orders.
Yes, me lord. Yes, me lord.
What do you need? Right. On my way.
I stand for the light. For honor.
Aye, sir. Locked and loaded.
I'm here to help.
Orders. Right.
You have a target? Shoot to kill.
I stand for the light. I'm here to help.
Job's done.
The light is my strength. Of course.
What do you need?
Say the word. Dwarf!
You have a target?
Is there danger?
Locked and loaded. I'm your shooter.
Let's bring this heart back to the dwarves.
Yes, my liege. Aye, my lord.
The light is my strength. I'm here to help. A sound plan.
What? All right.
Research complete. Say the word. Orders. Right.
The light is my strength. Certainly. Of course. For honor.
Now I will reforge your weapons to strike with searing heat.
What do you need? Of course.
Justice shall be done. Certainly.
You have a target?
Time to go. I'll take care of it. Time to go. I'll take care of it.
Aye. Okay.
I'm here to help.
Aye, sir.
I'll take care of it. Orders?
I stand for the light.
What do you need? Let me at 'em. Our forces are under attack.
The light.
You've done well, lad. This was a sound victory.
I don't know, Uther. The orcs were sacrificing townsfolk. I think they were trying to summon demons.
Have faith, lad. These orcs are trying to hold on to dying traditions. We defeated their demons a long time ago. Let's head for home. It's been a long day.